So now let's move ahead, and the next tab is settings. This is where you make your coding experience comfortable and personalized. First, we have the theme option. This will give you varieties of theme like dark theme, then it will convert to the dark theme. And here we have varieties of options. Now again we'll go back to this normal theme, right? Then you have language option. By default we have only one option of English. Auto save document, it is clicked. If you unclick it, it would not automatically save the document. Then console run keystroke. If you use console a lot, you can customize how you run code using console run keystroke, like pressing enter or control plus enter. Then there is text editor indentation. This setting lets you control whether you use tab or space to control the indentation. And using this space, you can control how wide they should be. And this is very useful for the Python developers. And then this is auto close brackets. This is really useful option. Just click it and let's write print just bracket open colon. We do not need to give closing semicolon and closing the bracket. Once you provide first colon, it will automatically add the another one, and when you open the bracket, it will automatically add closing bracket. So this is really very helpful option. Then there is option to increase or decrease the text editor font size, right? Then there is text editor theme, Jupyter, and code mirror. Then we have options of increase terminal font size and decrease terminal font size. And then we have terminal theme, inherit light and dark. And the last option is save widget state automatically. This ensures that interactive widgets like sliders or inputs retains their state when you reopen the notebook. So this setting menu is your go-to place to customize, simplify and optimize how you work in Jupyter Notebook. So now there is a quick short question coming from this settings tab, and your question is this: which feature in setting tab automatically adds the closing brackets or quotes when you type the opening one? Option A, auto indent. B, console run keystroke. C, auto close brackets. D, syntax highlighter. I think it's quite simple. Think over it and write the answer in comment section.